Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing one of the new eyeshadow palettes that I purchased during the Sephora VIP sale, and it's going to be the Natasha Denona Pastel palette. And is this palette dark skin friendly? So if this is something that you would like to see, please stay tuned for the video, and I will be going over all the specs of this palette and whether or not these shadows are blendable, pigmented, and like I said, dark skin friendly. So please stay tuned for the video. These are the colors, so let's see what we can do with it. I'm gonna use this P. Louise base in Rumor 5, like a peachy nude color. I'm gonna put it on the base of my lid. I think that's a lot. I don't think I need it that much. I'm gonna try to use as many of these colors as I can, but I don't know how that's gonna work. We're gonna see. I'm really super excited to see how these colors show up. The palette retailed for $65. I haven't tried any of the colors like actually on. I think I swatched 2 of them in my last video, but I have not used any of them. I don't know what they look like on my skin. So I think that I might try swatching the colors first to kind of get an idea how they come out, and then figure out what I'm doing with my lid. Because I think I may have to use another palette to get a transition color, because there's no transition color in there. My eyes have really been bothering me a lot. Allergy season is no joke this year. I feel like I need some more. Hopefully these colors come out nice and pigmented. I didn't really want to take it up that high, but it looks like that's where we're going. Okay, let's get this party started. I'm gonna swatch this first row on my arm. This color is called Tool. It's like a dark pink. Then you have this color Illusion, which is like a shimmer. Oh, and it has like a pink shift. So it's like a dual. Is it a duochrome? Yeah, it is a duochrome. Okay, so DC stands for duochrome. CP stands for what? Metallic duochrome chroma crystal eyeshadows. And I don't know what CP stands for. I don't know. Okay, anyway, let's try the third one. This one is called Mint Frost. This one is a metallic. That color is pretty. Something pigment. And I'm gonna try not to use the purple, because purple is always a color that I use. This one is called Dainty. Some kind of shimmer, I guess. Chroma crystal eyeshadows, dual chrome, metallic. I want to know what the CP stands for. Something pigment. Those are pretty colors. I'm gonna try the second row. This matte color Brisk. That's pretty. It's a lot of greens in here. This green called Adriatic is a dual chrome. Starlit, which is another dual chrome. Bellini. This is called Bubble. Now this is definitely not a palette that I could use by itself. Oh, this is called Limoncello, and it is a metallic. I'm gonna try to stay away from the colors that I normally use, which is like a yellow. That's not really a yellow. Now there's 4 more colors. This is called Duet, and it's a duochrome. It's a pretty color. Airy. It is a, I'm gonna tell you what the heck a CM means, because it's a colored matte. I don't know, but it's a light blue color. That's all I can tell you. And there's 2 more. This color Zest, which is a pretty green. To me, that shows up the best out of all of them. And then I have 1 more. Which one is that? Oh, that's Duet. I'm trying to get a feel for like what I'm gonna do with it. I may have to use a color from her other palette as like a transition color. This is a pink called Feather. That really go all the way down my arm. Okay, so that's all the colors. I'm gonna use this peach color called Bellini, and I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try to only use this palette, but we're gonna see, because I don't know. Let me try this MAC 217 brush. It's a little more tapered to the crease. I mean, this color right here is building up pretty good. Like, I'm really going to work on getting the colors to show up. I feel like it could be a little bit darker, but it is a pastel. It is a pastel. So I'm gonna do what I can to build it up and see. I might try a color from this palette. I'm gonna open it and see what the colors look like, because I don't remember. Oh, okay. So this palette has some colors that are like kind of pastels, but not. I might have to incorporate some colors from this palette, but I am definitely gonna try to go as deep as I can. Well, you can definitely see, but I need 1 color from here. And I think that I'm gonna use just this brown color right here called Balance to go in the crease a little bit. This is the Morphe M441. I'm gonna take this. These shadows are very powdery. I'm gonna show you. This is that first color, Bellini. I'm gonna go back in with that color Balance. Let me show you what I'm talking about, how these colors are very powdery. This particular color, Balance. I'm gonna put this blue color Bubble all over the lid. I've been wanting to do a blue eyeshadow look for the longest. That's this color right here. I wonder if I wet it, would it come out better? That's Fix Plus. That's better. I like that blue. I'm gonna take this green color and put it on the outside, Adriatic. These colors come out pretty pigmented for a pastel. Let me see if I wet it, what happens. I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit. I'm gonna try this color, Airy, right here, and see. I don't know why that one looks like it's coming out darker than the actual darker one. I actually like that. I'm gonna go back in that color, Balance, and just deepen this crease. Stamp some more in. I want it to show up. Even though this is like a really powdery color, I kind of like it. I really like this blue color. I'm gonna go in a little, cause does it look like it's cracking there? Let me see if I put a little more of that blue, Airy. Okay, so I figured out what these initials mean. So CP means richly pigmented wet powder formula that is easy to blend. So that would be this color right here, Tool. Then you have CM, which is a signature matte formula that is creamy to the touch and seamlessly blends on the lid. This color right here, Airy, the blue one, yeah. CK, which we don't have any CKs in here, would be cream powder, finely milled pearls, and crystals for a dazzling diamond-like sparkle effect. Okay, and M is for metallics, so we got it now. Okay, did she say what CM was? I'm gonna add a little more of this green. Should we try this green right here on the lid? I do like that green. I'm trying to stay away from anything that's pink and purple, because you know I always go to those colors. So let's see. This is a Laura Mercier Cream Eye Detail. Okay, I'm gonna use this color. Should we use the mint? Oh, you know what? Let me try this color right here, Illusion, because that was a nope, because that's going back into pink. We don't want to do that. We're gonna do this green right here, Mint Frost, which is a, I guess she didn't say what SM was. Oh, I like that. How about I wet it? Oh, I should have looked at the actual matte pastel mint is which one? CM is a pastel peach. Mint Frost is a sparkly metallic icy turquoise. It says to get that foiled look, wet the brush, which we did. I see it. What about this blue one? I like the fact that her pastels have a shimmer because they're not just dry looking matte shadow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do this eye and bring it up to where this eye is and then go from there. Okay, so I'm back to finish the eyes. I'm gonna take this little brush. I don't even know what it is, but it's an angle brush. And I'm gonna put some brow highlight there. I'm gonna use this color Relief. I'm gonna try that one and see if it's too bright. If you guys would prefer for me to like talk and chit chat with you while I'm doing my makeup, because I have a lot of things that I could be saying, but sometimes I be like, they don't really want to hear what I'm saying. So put that in the comment section. Like, let me know you guys are watching so I could be like, okay, let me start a conversation about something. There's so many things that we could talk about. We like that. I'm gonna go in and deepen up this color. Just give it a little more color. I like that. I have this Makeup Geek eyeliner in the color Mint. I'm going to use that inside the waterline. Without Makeup Geek's pencils, because I love their pencils for the waterline and they last really long. I think that these shadows you can use as a liner as well, but that's not what we're doing today because I'm trying to stick in a particular color family. Like, I didn't want to go outside of where I normally am. Should I do a wing liner? I think I like it without the liner. I think I want to add some more of that orange. I'm going to add a little bit more of this to this area here. Okay, let's see what we could do. I'm putting this palette away. That was this Zendo palette. I'm using a blue color Bubble, this color right here, to go under the green. Let's see what happens. I don't think it's gonna work. I'm gonna use the color Illusion and put it, let me see. I really want that blue to show up, the color Bubble to really show up. I'm gonna put some mascara on. This is the MAC Stack Micro Brush. One thing I'm going to tell you about this MAC Stack mascara, I like the bigger brush better because it made my lashes stand out more than this one. So yeah, I definitely like the bigger brush better. Hi guys, I am back, and I am back to tell you about my thoughts on this Natasha Denona Pastel palette. I am very, very impressed. I really didn't think it was anything that I could do with these shadows that would look good on me. But if you look, I used the green, I used the blue, and I wanted to come away from, you know, I'm always having something purple and colorful. Even though this is colorful, but I really like these colors. I think they look beautiful. This palette has 15 colors in it. It blends really good. I like the colors. I like the variation of, it has different textures of shadows. It's not just pastel matte shadows. So I like the dual chromes, I like the shimmers, and I also like the matte colors. I'm definitely going to use this palette a lot during the summer because it is really, really good. It is pastels of different types of shadows. So you have your dual chromes, and you have your metallic, you have your mattes, and they all blended out very, very well. I cannot wait to use this palette for you guys again. I hope that you like this look. I did use one color from this Zendo palette, which was like a burnt orange kind of color. This color at the top right here, in the middle, that one right there. I used that one to just give it a little dimension to the eye, but I really, really like the way these shadows look on the eyes. The colors pop. It's not too much. It's not ashy. It looks very, very nice. So I definitely recommend this palette. This palette was $65, and this is one of the first pastel palettes that I saw with all of the different variations of the different types of shadows. So I definitely recommend it, and I hope that you guys like it. I do have swatches on my arm. This is all 15 shades. Wait, where did I start? This was the last shade at the bottom. I think I'm gonna do some swatches that are a little more, you know, organized, because I think I wiped off the first two. I think the bracelet took it off. Let me see if I could put it back just so you can get an idea of what that pink color called Tulle looks like. So I'm definitely going to be using this palette again in some future videos. And this one is the, oh wait, this is the second color right here. And then this green, which I have in my, on my eyelids. I'm going to put this here so you can see it, but that is, that's what the colors look like. So I'm going to do some better swatches for you guys. But I hope that you like the way these eyeshadows look. And like I said, I'm going to be using more. I think I used like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I used 6 of the colors. I used this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Yeah. I definitely recommend this palette. I thought it was going to be something that I want to take back to the store, but I like it and I can't wait to see what else I can do with it. Now, it's not really a palette that you can use by itself because the colors are so light, and with somebody of my complexion, you want to have some kind of transition color that kind of brings everything together. But other than that, I love it. So yay, Natasha Denona Pastel palette. Yes, I love it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I have several other videos that are going to be linked on the screen. Click on it, continue to watch. I'm still trying to get to my 500 subscribers, so please share, like, watch, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video, one of these. Okay.